Elon Musk has dropped a bombshell in the world of mind-bending tech. His Neuralink brain chip has now let a paralyzed man move a robotic arm using nothing but pure thought. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to the channel. Neuralink stunned the world after posting a jaw-dropping video on X showing patient Rocky Stoutenberg, paralyzed since 2006, controlling a robotic arm as smoothly as if it were his own. With just his thoughts, he lifts the arm, guides it toward his face, and even kisses it. Musk wasted no time calling it a massive leap toward true human-machine integration. The company explained that trial participants can now extend their digital mind control beyond screens and into the physical world. Neuralink wrote, "Participants in our clinical trials have extended digital computer control to physical devices such as assistive robotic arms. And they're nowhere near done," as the company said. "Over time, we plan to expand the range of devices controllable via Neuralink, hinting at a future where thoughts alone might operate tools, wheelchairs, or even entire home systems." This is far beyond Neuralink's earlier abilities, which let users move cursors or tap phone screens with their minds. Now, Musk's brain chip dream is helping paralyzed people interact with the world in a whole new way. Neuralink's implant acts as a brain-computer interface, reading tiny signals in a person's nervous system and translating them into real commands. Though the technology is still in clinical trials and docs are closely checking safety and performance in patients with severe mobility challenges. But with this new milestone, the line between human thought and machine action just got thinner. Is this a tech breakthrough? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming updates.